Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix the missing Wi-Fi option when you're in the recovery assistant after you reset your Mac. So as you can see here, the text says that to select a Wi-Fi network from the menu or attach a network cable to proceed. If you have a USB-C to Ethernet cable, you can just plug it, or if you have an iPhone, you can just plug with USB-C or something. It will connect to internet immediately. But if you don't have any cable at all, you may still want to activate the Mac by using the Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna show you how to get the Wi-Fi option again. So as you can see here, for some reason my Mac is missing the Wi-Fi option here. So it is supposed to have a Wi-Fi icon over here, but it's for some reason it's not there. So don't worry about it. We can still fix it. So the first thing we need to do is to shut down your MacBook. So just click shut down. Alright, so I'm gonna move my camera a little bit. So the next thing you need to do is to click and hold the power button. So let me show you. So you have to click and hold the power button like this. Right, so just continue holding until it has startup options. Still holding. Okay, now you can take out your hand and there will be new options over here. So you need to click that part, click options, and then click continue. Alright, and then this time it will have the Wi-Fi icon. So you can see here, there's the Wi-Fi here. You can just select the Wi-Fi of your home. Just enter the Wi-Fi and enter your password. Alright. After that, then Apple will try to activate your Mac. Okay, so once it's done, you can just click restart and your Mac is now active. And that's it, your Mac is now active and you can use it as usual. Thank you for watching and see you next time.